Yeah, welcome to Spain.
Welcome to Spain, Barcelona.
Barcelona. What, 3 years? 2 years? Back in the Faroe Islands. Hera, you happy to be here?
Yeah, yeah. Actually,
Nice cold weather. Right?
Came to here, so.
Du brunda land mitt I stolta hav Du settest ner föra I kav Till kvassa linde och äkna bra Ta land min mor sa
Alright, Hiro-san, the next time we come here to the Faroes, we must go here, the Flute Island. That's where James Bond supposedly died. Take a ferry, drive, and then hike.
Hiking.
Okay, you want to do it? Next time we come?
How long gonna hike?
I don't know.
We try.
Let's try it, okay? Oh, that's going to be so exciting. Alright. This place is just so beautiful.
I elski hesar lötnar Vi vendi och så Och kava flik fatla I elski hesar götnar Dalar och skör Till där för att alla Du vann gav mig du eldor och och flår ju ber ma och det
Bakkafrost headquarters, Faroe Islands. Here's got something really special there. Take a look. As far as really incredible ingredients. Stay tuned. What a beautiful background, Hiro.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We're in the Faroe Islands, and of course, there's only one reason why we'd come over here to the Faroe Islands. Of course, to have the best salmon in the world. Hiro-san, take a look at this. This is Highland salmon. Taste of the Faroe Islands is by Bakkafrost. You guys don't know, you have been watching our videos long enough, but the salmon comes from the Faroe Islands. Top premium superior salmon. Hiro, what are we making today?
Salmon roll with the salmon poké over the road.
This is Paul from Bakkafrost.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good.
Good, good, good. We love your salmon, Paul. We are so honored to be a part of your company to help promote it, but for good reason, because we love it. We know it's the top quality salmon that's out there. But go ahead and tell us more about the salmon.
Yeah, it is salmon that we produce here in the Faroe Islands, and this is our new consumer brand that we are introducing in the United States now. This is the Heimland brand, which is Faroese salmon, and produced with Bakkafrost. And we have a whole portfolio of different products. So we have fillets, we have portions, we have smoked, we have frozen, fresh, whatever can be produced by a salmon, then we have it in this brand. So you will see it online, but you'll also see it in retail shops in US. And of course, we love when Hiro makes his magic with our salmon. Of course, the salmon is good in itself, but when we have a master like Chef Hiro, then it gets even better. So hope you enjoy what he's doing.
Thank you so much. We look forward to it. All right, Hiro-san.
Okay, let's start. Okay, now I'm going to make a salmon poké.
Okay.
So this is the ogonori. This is from Hawaii. Ogonori. The seaweed. Just cut into the smaller. Like that. Let's put in here. And next one, I'm gonna include it sea salt and then the chili pepper. And then soy sauce. This is special soy sauce from Japan. And sesame oil.
It's really good.
Too spicy or
It's strong, but it's good.
it's good?
Yeah.
Let me try it.
There is a
Before
little crunch.
before serve the customer has to check too, right? Quality check. Yo.
What a beautiful.
Look. Yes. Okay, mix it up. Scallion and okay, this is anyway oregano. This is a wasabi oil.
All right, beautiful roll already done, and so thankful to have Petra here from
Hi.
Bakkafrost to do the tasting. Of course, my good friend Paul,
Hi.
and of course the boss.
Of course.
This is Jan. Thank you so much. Hiro-san, you ready?
Sure.
Okay, this is kind of Russian roulette. Go ahead, Paul. We know which one that you're gonna try.
Yeah,
You need to try two because.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
We should try this one.
Okay.
Yeah, so we tried it.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
Petra or Hero might have the spicy one. Okay. Enjoy, guys.
It's a spicy one.
No, Hero or Petra. One of them have the one that's got a lot of wasabi oil. Yeah.
It's really good.
Yours has a lot of wasabi oil.
Really good. Wow. It's nice.
Really good. Good job.
Very nice.
Hiro-san, success.
Yet again, a
As
masterpiece.
Not only beautiful to look at, beautiful to enjoy, and of course, amazing products. Again, look for this in your local supermarket. Anything by Bakkafrost, you're going to enjoy. Thank you guys so much.
Thank
And
you.
we'll see you soon.
Thank you very much. Thank you.